Different women experience very different discomforts during menopause. Yes, hot flashes are common, but for some women, the hot flashes are only occasional, and it's the anxiety or insomnia that's a much bigger problem. And the same herbal remedies are not going to work for all women during menopause. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that can help you find the right herbs, the ones that are going to help you get relief from your menopausal discomforts. All right. So what happens is for some women, it's like hot flashes are only a small part of it. They're only occasional, right? For them, it's the anxiety or insomnia that's a much bigger problem. While for other women, it's the irritability or brain fog. And for some women, it's different again. It's not hot flashes or anxiety. It's more the weight gain or the low libido or the dryness that's driving them up the wall. Why would we think that a woman having 5 hot flashes a day needs the same remedy as a woman with 1 hot flash a day, but who's having severe anxiety and heart palpitations? So yes, I think herbs are great to use during menopause, but I think the secret to success with herbal remedies for menopause is finding the right herbs for your body, your hormones, and your discomforts. And guess what? The herbs you need now are different than the ones you'll need in 6 or 12 months when your hormones have changed yet again. Hey everybody, I'm Dana Lavoie, an acupuncturist and herbalist. I've been specializing in women's health for over 16 years, and I love to help women learn to use customized Chinese herbs supported by the best diet and lifestyle for their hormones to feel amazing during and after menopause. So here we go. Let's dive in. I want to give you 3 tips that can help you find the right herbs, the ones that will help you get relief from your menopause discomforts. Tip number 1. Support your hormone levels. One thing that you don't want is for your hormone levels to drop too low during or after menopause. Herbs like black cohosh can help give your body hormonal building blocks to support those healthy hormone levels. Tip number 2, support your liver. Freeing the flow of liver qi helps with stress, irritability, and PMS-like discomforts, and helps with improved detoxification of hormone metabolites. Herbs like reishi mushroom can help support both stress and liver function. Tip number 3, support your endocrine system. Your endocrine system is a sophisticated system of checks and balances that constantly monitors and fine-tunes your hormone levels. And adaptogenic herbs that support the endocrine system's ability to manage those hormone levels more efficiently can significantly help you to feel better during menopause and postmenopause. Herbs like ginseng, which is a powerful adaptogenic herb, can help support your endocrine system and help with fatigue. And I recommend white or American ginseng as opposed to red or Chinese ginseng for women in menopause because it's cooler and more moistening. So, as you can start to see, there's no one herb that will give you all the different kinds of support that you need for your hormones during and after menopause. We've just scratched the surface here of the multi-layered benefits you can get from herbs, both supporting relief of menopause discomforts and supporting healthy aging in the years after menopause. If you'd like to dive deeper, be sure to join me in one of my free online masterclasses on how to use Chinese herbs for menopause, or to work with me more closely, look for the next time I open my online program on using Chinese herbs during and after menopause. Now, if it's not a time when one of those things are happening right away, be sure and become one of my email insiders by grabbing one of my free downloads. That will help you get started with number 1, the best diet for your hormones, because getting on the right diet for your hormones is going to set the stage for you to get the best results with your herbal remedies when you do start using them. And my other download about getting out of menopause overwhelm is going to help you put into perspective herbs and diet and lifestyle and all the different types of natural remedies that are helpful during menopause. It's going to help you put them all into perspective and know how to use them to best advantage together. So grab those free downloads, become one of my email insiders, and you will be the first to get an invitation the next time I'm teaching that free online class. I'm Dana Lavoie, an acupuncturist and herbalist. I've been doing this women's health stuff for over 16 years, and I just love helping women learn to use customized Chinese herbs. So hook up with me, put your questions in the comments below, hit me up in my free private Facebook book group if you have questions, or just send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me today, for your time today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.